Hey everyone, it's Emily from Emmylou Arts. I'm so glad you're here today because I am going to give you guys a flip through of the latest, well, it's kind of a scrapbook, junk journal, art journal, smash book. I don't really know what to call it, but I'm going to show you the latest flip through because I just finished this one and I'm going to start a new one. So I thought I would show you what this one ended up like. So if that sounds like fun, then stick around. So this was my last journal that I was working in, and I think I started it somewhere in the beginning of the year. It was about January probably. The front cover is collage from newspapers and from, I get a lot of my collage elements from Real Simple magazine, and then some paint. So that's what that is, and then the back looks like this. More collage, some washi tape, just bits and pieces. This is, all of my art journals are, that's why I don't know whether to call them art journals or smash books, because they're just, I just put everything in here. This was a drawing for my daughter. This is a mixed media or multimedia book from, I believe, Recollections brand from Michaels, and it's got a whole bunch of different types of pages. It's got these like plastic laminated ones. I did some stamping on that, and then it's got this pocket pages, so I have journaling cards stuck in there and collage and painting. And then it had photo pages, so a lot of that is just, I cut in half so that you could see some different things through the bottom. And then journaling, and then this is a piece of leather that I made into a little tag thing that I was going to use as a keychain, but I never ended up doing it. And then fabric scraps. These are pieces of old quilts that my mom made. I love to make things that flip up and tip up and slip out for journaling. And then these little frames were from Michaels. I love those. So I use a lot of different things. Paint, collage, washi tape, fabric, and then I journal. So, these were my kids' Valentines that they gave away at school this year. Towards the end, I got a little bit lazy, and so there's some journaling, but I started to just kind of stick in things. Oh, letter from my daughter, and cards, collages. This is art journaling. This is more art journaling. I love having pictures tip out and stuff, and this is just artwork, summertime stuff. And I had made tip-ins and stuff for this, where I showed how to make tip-ins, and so a lot of this was filled out kind of a while ago. And so some pages don't have a whole lot, they just have that. This is from the 4th of July. I love this. I put a little baggie in there it closes. It was a sticky baggie, and it's got pictures from things that we did that day. A doily. And then things just journaling.
Mommy?
Yeah, love? What do you need to be?
I forgot. I'll think.
Okay, you think and you tell me. This is like a piece from Addie's backpack that she picked out for school. So, and then Henry birthday card and things from his birthday. This is a tag from the gift that she gave him. Fair booklet and the ride bracelet that they had. This is pictures from vacation this summer. That's Tiffin. I had to tear quite a few pages out of this at the end because it got too chunky and there wasn't going to be enough room to keep going. So that's pretty much the last of what was in here. This was a bracelet that my daughter made me. It came unraveled, but I put the string in there. Collage, a note that my son wrote me, and then pictures that my daughter used for a school project, and that's it. And then I wrote the ending date. This journal ended on September 23rd, 2018. So that is this completed journal. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at it. I enjoyed working in it. It was fun. I've never worked in something kind of like this that was sort of structured. I usually just use a magazine or a traveler's notebook insert. So this was interesting. It was fun to use and I had fun doing it, but I'm ready for a change. I think that's how it goes with everybody and their journals. It's always fun to start on the next one. So I'm glad you guys took a peek at this with me, and if you like this or if you want to see more things on junk journaling, smash books, art journaling, then leave me a comment and leave me a like, and please subscribe. I really, really appreciate every one of you that hits that subscribe button. I do this for fun, but it really is fun to see that count grow and know that people like to watch what we're doing here. So thanks a lot, guys. Bye.